this exercise, we will learn the dodge tool. The dodge tool is basically used for lightening the darkness from images. It is a way to brighten the images. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I move the arrow on Tools, here we can see the dodge tool. If I right-click, we can see O is the shortcut key. Okay, let's select this tool and make sure midtones is selected and exposure is 50%. It is just the level of brightness. With these settings, we can apply a nice effect, but we can increase it or decrease it. Okay, let's try it on 50% and keep the protect tones checked on. Okay, now let's try to paint the area on the face. Something like that. Not too much, just a little bit. We can see the image is bright now, but the disadvantage of this tool is that we can't apply this tool on a new layer. It can only be applied on the original layer. Okay, the next exercise we will learn is the burn tool.